Hi, my name is Stanil Hodzic and I'm from Bosnia. I have 3+ years of experience in web development. Now I'm student at Microverse, the global school for remote software developers. Microverse is not only good place for learning and building technical skills. I can build my skills on the every other place on the web. For me, Microverse is really great network for building new connections with the people around the world. In this intensive course, we are working together every day. We have morning code challenges. We are building our collaborative skills by defeating programming, and I have stand-up meetings with the people from the different countries every day. For me, all this experience in just 3 months from the start was really great. By my opinion, this is not only good place for a starting career in programming field. Microverse is great place for personal upgrade also. And thank you, Microverse, for everything we have accomplished together.